the unboxing of the Aja UTAP, capture video and audio with USB. So a lot of times nowadays we're streaming things, we're getting video straight into computer. This is one of those devices that lets us do that. So if we take a look, Aja Video Systems, one side, UTAP, capture video, audio with USB. I have the UTAP with an SDI output. You can get this with an HDMI output, which I'll probably get as well, because I needed to get another box to convert for this one. So we'll see, I may just get the other one that's also HDMI, which will let me just use one box for everything. Ooh, some really cool stuff here. UTAP, plug in, capture, and go for USB 3. Let's try that a little lighter. Can you tell I do voiceover? Plug in, capture, and go for USB 3. UTAP captures your vision simply. UTAP captures your vision simply. There's the simple setup. Let's even get that in focus. Ooh, there it is. Almost got it. Ooh, yeah. Simple setup. A single USB 3 cable for video and audio power. SDI or HDMI input. 2 versions available. UTAP SDI and UTAP HDMI. No drivers needed. Small and durable. Compatible. Peace of mind. I love that. Peace of mind. 3-year product warranty. Includes USB 3 cable. Awesome. So that's that. Let's open it up. Oh, this top comes. There was a seal here. Pop that open. UTAP. Just give you an idea of the size. That's the UTAP SDI. We've got status. I think there's a light that glows over there maybe. USB, a power light probably glows there. There's your standard USB printer cable is what we used to call that. I don't know if we still do anymore. And then on this side, let's see if I can get some focus. Oh yeah, baby. There it is. SDI lock, SDI loop out. Sorry, SDI in, SDI loop out. So this is the camera input, doink, and then it goes out of here, whoa, into the computer. The other side, it has this like little rubber foot. It's all the way around the bottom. It's very good. It's like solid. Then we've got all this Aja information. Come on, focus, baby. Come on. I want you there. Nice. Aja. Audio Video Systems, UTAP SDI. And that's it. That's what this thing is. Really light, by the way. Not heavy at all. Very easy. I think I could slip this in a lot of different corners, near the mixer, right near the computer if I need to. UTAP. Oh. Let's open this now. Oh, so here underneath, cable below. Thanks. Wow. Ooh, so here's a cable. It's that printer cable thing I think I was telling you about. Let's open that up. Come on out. Hey, check you out. Remember that? These have been around forever. Although the bottom is a little thicker than usual. But there it is. Right? Then if we keep looking in the bottom here, is this a sticker? Yeah. You get an Aja sticker. That's so cool. Designed and built in the USA. Established 1993. Gosh, I'm doing such a standard voiceover these days right now. Aja Video Systems. Aja.com. Grass Valley, California. Gotta love that. Grass Valley. Hey, where are you living these days? I'm hanging out in Grass Valley. That's a great name. Ooh, there's a card inside, and that's about it. Congratulations on your product purchase of an Aja product. Nope. Congratulations on your purchase of an Aja product. To download the latest software and accompanying operation manuals, please visit us online. Let's do that like desperately, right? To download the latest software and accompanying operation manuals, please visit us online. www.aja.com support. Register online at www.aja.com/support/register. They should do a joke on this side. Let's see if they have a joke. It'd be so funny. Why the chicken cross the road? So he can get an Aja. Wouldn't that be perfect over there? I'm a big believer in putting some humanity back in all this stuff. You know, this equipment and everything. It needs it. Like, just give me a little joke. You know, like Snapple, when you open a Snapple jar and you look under the lid, they always have a little like fact or a little information. The speed of sound is whatever, 300 feet per second, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's the full opening of the Aja. Thank you so much for joining me with Aja.